Faster starts, smoother operation. The new Power Cutter from Makita, delivering power, efficiency, performance, and versatility for smooth concrete cutting performance. There's plenty of power for the most demanding applications. The new decompression valve and carburetor are engineered for precise fuel regulation at startup. And the ignition coil with start support function stores electrical energy with each pull. The SLR muffler recycles unburned fuel vapor, which reduces scavenging losses for up to 15%, improved fuel economy. Makita's exclusive 5-stage filter system is designed for easy maintenance, and the blade quickly adjusts for lateral cuts for less downtime. The EK7301 is engineered for a range of concrete cutting applications.